Here I have Tenor and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's here hold down the power key, choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Release both keys as soon as Tenor logo pops up. And as you can see, no command picture pops up in front of you, so now you need to start holding power key, and while holding power, press volume up once. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down to highlight wipe cache partition and press power key to confirm it. Scroll down to choose yes and press power button to confirm it, and the device just wiped the cache files. So you just format all temporary cache files, and as soon as Android system recovery pops up again, let's press power key to reboot system now. Now simply wait until the operation will be completed. That's it, now you can unlock the device and start using your phone in a normal way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.